Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your classroom app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for classroom app, just click on search. Click here on classroom, just click on it. You come to next here, then you click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for classroom, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here a page, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.